大家好，谢谢你们回来。你们准备好了吗？ Are you ready? Use Chinese to write this sentence. My mother. My 我的 My I 就是我 My 就是我的 My mother. My mother. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. I like my mother. I like my mother. I like 我喜欢我喜欢 my mother. I like my mother. Use Chinese to write this sentence. Your dog. Your. You 就是你 Your 就是你的 Your dog. Your dog. Dog. How do you say dog? Dog. This is how you say dog. Use Chinese to write this sentence. I like my dog. I like my dog. I like my dog.
Teacher and student.
Use Chinese to write this sentence. Teacher and student. And teacher and student 老师 teacher 和 and student. Use Chinese to write this sentence. I like my cat. I like my cat. 猫 cat. My cat. How do you say cat? How do you say cat? This is how you say cat. Cat. This is how you say cat. Use Chinese to write this sentence. Your cat and my dog. Your cat, 你的猫 and my dog, 我的狗 my dog. Your cat and my dog. Select what you hear. Select what you hear.
Your cat.
Your
cat.
cat. Your cat.
I like my father.
Use Chinese to write this sentence. I like my father. I like my father. I like my father. Dog.
Dog.
Student.
Student.
Your.
Your.
Chinese.
Chinese.
I.
I.
Use Chinese to write this sentence. I like my mother and my father. I like my mother and my father. I like my mother and my father. Challenge question. Challenge question. Use Chinese to write this sentence. I like my mother. I like my mother. 我喜欢我的母亲。I
like
like
my
my
mother.
mother. I like my mother. Challenge question. Use English to write this sentence. Your father.
Father.
Your father. 好厉害 Awesome. 那你们做得很棒。谢谢你们的观看。下次见。See you next time. Bye.